Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Google Photos includes a locked folder to keep sensitive images private. This folder prevents those images from being backed up to the cloud. You must authenticate with your device PIN, pattern, or biometric to open the folder. The folder stores files locally on your device only and will not sync to Google Photos cloud storage. Keep this in mind before deleting or transferring files, because local-only storage means you need a manual backup if you want cloud copies. First, open the Google Photos app on your Android or iOS device. Tap the Library tab at the bottom of the screen to continue. Next, choose Utilities and then tap Locked Folder from the Utilities list. When prompted, authenticate with your device PIN, pattern, or biometric to unlock the folder. If you do not see Utilities or Locked Folder, update the Google Photos app to the latest version in your App Store. To add photos, select one or more items in Google Photos and tap the three-dot menu. Choose Move to Locked Folder to transfer them and remove them from the main library. The app will confirm that moved items are deleted from visible albums and excluded from backup. To view or restore items, open Locked Folder and authenticate with your device PIN or fingerprint. Select items and choose Move out of folder to...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.